You know what a lot of people don't realize about small dogs with smushed in faces is that they suffer from a thing called reverse sneeze syndrome. This is caused when there is an irritation in their palate and or throat that causes an influx in air immediately. It is literally a reverse sneeze. Can you imagine if people had that? That'd be fucking terrifying. Hey bro, how's it going? It's been a while. Dude, I know, yeah, we totally need to get together. Listen, this weekend we'll... Where were you keeping that?